let's see how to download the Grozziie app and connect it with the eFace attendance machine. You can download the app easily by scanning the QR code on the front of the machine for both Android and iOS. You can also download it directly from the App Store, Play Store, or from our official website. Open the Grozziie app and log in with your email and password. If you don't have an account, simply create one by entering your username, email, and creating a password with at least 8 characters, including uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Then create your account. Now you're ready to use the app. You can continue with the new interface. From the profile icon, you can switch to your preferred language anytime. Now, let's connect the eFace attendance machine. Plug in the Type-C cable to turn on the machine. After connecting, the machine will turn on and show its MAC address on the screen. Now open the Grozziie app and click on the Add button to add a device. You will see all nearby devices. Click the MAC address name of your device to connect. Then select whether you are an admin or employee. First, let's continue as admin. Now you need to set a password for the first time. Input the same password in both fields and save. Done. Now you will get the face recognition icon on the home page. Enter face recognition and go to Setup. First, you need to add an employee. Capture the employee's face, then add name, ID, department, and other information, then continue. After that, you will get a QR code for the employee. By scanning this QR code, the employee can join this face recognition system. Now, let's see how to connect with the eFace machine as an employee. Open the Grozziie app, click on the Add button to add a device, click on your eFace device, and continue as employee. Now you need to scan the QR code generated by the admin. You can also pick the QR code from your photo gallery. Done. You are connected. Now you can use the Grozziie app to do your daily punch with the eFace attendance machine. You can also check your dashboard, apply for leave, view admin notices, and use all other features from here.